It does not happen in one moment. It happens in small stages over time. A slight shift forward in the shoulders, a soft rounding in the upper back, a little stiffness that appears after sitting for long hours. At first, none of it feels serious, feels normal. Something you can ignore, something your body will adjust to. But the truth is, the body always adapts. It adapts to whatever position it repeats the most. And in modern life, that position is often not ideal. Long hours sitting, working on screens, looking down at phones, staying still for too long without natural movement. And slowly, without warning, the posture begins to change. Not suddenly, but quietly, almost invisibly. And by the time most people notice it, it already feels like a habit, a posture the body has learned to hold. But here is something very important to understand. This is not permanent. The body is not fixed. It is adaptable, responsive, always capable of change. It does not respond to force very well. It responds to consistency, to awareness, to gentle repetition over time. And that is where this routine begins, not with pressure, not with pain, but with simple controlled movement. Now, before we begin, take a moment to simply notice your body. No judgment, no correction, just awareness. Notice how your shoulders feel right now. Notice how your neck is positioned. Notice your breathing. Most people are surprised when they actually pay attention, because they realize they have been holding tension without knowing it. Now let's begin slowly. Sit or stand in a comfortable position. Allow your feet to feel stable. Let your body settle. There is no rush here. Nothing to force. Bring your attention to your shoulders. Let them drop naturally. Let them relax away from your ears. Now slowly bring your hands behind your back. If your fingers can gently interlock, allow that. If not, simply place your hands comfortably. There is no correct position, only comfort. Now slowly lift your hands just slightly, not high, just enough to feel a soft opening across the chest. Do not force anything. Let the movement feel natural. Now take a slow breath in, and notice how your chest expands. And as you breathe out, allow your shoulders to soften downward. Stay here for a few moments. Let the stretch settle into your body. No strain, no pressure, just gentle awareness. This simple movement begins to open the front of the body. It helps counter the long hours spent in a closed posture. Now slowly release your hands and return to a relaxed position. Next, we move to the shoulders. Lift your shoulders slowly toward your ears. Pause briefly at the top, and then let them drop naturally. Again, lift, pause, release. There is no speed here, only rhythm. Now begin slow circular movements with your shoulders. Move them backward in a smooth motion, controlled, easy, natural. Imagine a slow wave moving through your upper body. Nothing sharp, nothing forced. After a few repetitions, gently change direction. Let the movement stay light. Let your body guide itself. Now pause for a moment. Notice how your shoulders feel. Even a small release is meaningful. Now bring your attention to your neck. Sit tall but remain relaxed. Slowly tilt your head to one side. Do not pull. Do not force. Let gravity create the stretch. Hold for a few seconds. Then slowly return to center. And gently move to the other side. Again, slow and controlled. Now bring your chin down toward your chest. Pause here. Feel the stretch along the back of your neck. Stay for a moment. Breathe normally. These movements may seem very simple, almost too simple to matter. But simplicity is not weakness. It is consistency that creates change. When practiced regularly, these movements can help the body release built-up tension. They support better awareness of posture, and they encourage more natural alignment over time. Not instantly, not dramatically, but gradually. Because the body does not transform in a single moment. It changes through repetition, through daily habits, through gentle correction over time. And that is the real key to improvement. Now take one final slow breath in and release it gently. Feel your body in this moment. Notice any small difference. Even subtle awareness is progress. And if you continue this practice daily, your body will begin to respond in its own way. You may notice your posture feels lighter. You may notice less tension during the day. You may notice movement feels easier. Not because you forced it, but because you supported it. And that is the most natural way the body improves. If you found this helpful, consider making it part of your daily routine. Even just a few minutes each day can make a difference over time. And if you would like more simple, calm, and effective routines like this, subscribe to VitaSignal 60, because here we focus on supporting the body gently, naturally, and consistently. Your body is capable of change. It always has been. It just needs the right kind of attention. Calm, simple, and consistent. And that is where real improvement begins.